Hi Paula, I'm Kim, and you have to excuse the way I look. I have been working out in what I call the grotto, which is here in my garage. Half of it's converted, and I've been working on a lot of different projects today. So anyways, I have all your bows made, but I wanted to show you how to fluff them because I said I would. So anyways, I'm gonna flip it down so you can see my hands. All right, so this is the bow. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 different ribbons in here, and so they're all tied together. I looked at your banister pictures, and I think this pipe cleaner goes really nice or matches the wood pretty close. So that way, this is how you'll tie it on. So you'll wrap it around and then just twist them, you know, wherever you need to do it, and then you can just tuck them. So that's kind of there. So when I fluff these, when I get them, so first thing you want to do is if the tails, these are called the tails, if they get crushed, use your fingers like scissors like this and just put the ribbon between them while you hold it with your other hand. It's almost like a nosegay. You just kind of hold it and kind of do like that, and they'll curl a little bit. So like that too. Should they get a wrinkle in it that you can't get out and it bothers you, I use a steamer and it gets it out. Now say on some of these you want to make them go corkscrew, because this is the bow for your wreath, and see how on your wreath bow I have these corkscrews right here. If you want to do any of the corkscrews like the black and white check, you would just roll it up right here, and then from the inside grab the little end from the inside, and you just kind of slowly pull it down. So if you want to do a curl, you can, you don't have to, but it kind of adds a little something different, but that's totally up to you. So if you look at these are all, they're smushed. So I purposely smushed this kind of so you could kind of, well actually I didn't fluff this one, so let's say that. So anyways, I'm gonna kind of, when you grab your loops, grab inside the loop. So you're gonna insert your fingers to the loop and you just kind of pull them apart. So you put your hand in the middle and then turn it. So if you put it this way, then you turn it this way and then kind of spread your fingers. And it just kind of lift and separate, as isn't that what she said in Legally Blonde or Pop and whatever, I don't remember. My daughter's in law school, so we're always talking about that movie Legally Blonde, because yeah, well, it's just kind of there. You know what I mean. So some, you'll see like some of these pieces here I have in the middle, and I like to have little pieces pop up. I think it looks kind of cute. So this one I'm going to make just a little bit shorter. Like I said, I haven't done this one, fluffed this one up yet, because I wanted to do it for you. And see how I pulled that one kind of over. This one's kind of poking up right there. This one needs to be pulled out. And you just kind of separate them to where I kind of go, like if I have flower on this side, I kind of go the opposite on the other side. You can put them all over. But I'm going to try and pack them to where you don't see. There's another little tail, and there's a blue, and there's that. And so you just kind of put your hand in and then spread your hand open. So I put my hand in with my fingers together, and then I kind of spread them open. And so it just kind of lifts and opens it, and you just kind of put it in there. And then once you put this right here, so once you take this and you wrap this around your, and I hope you were able to see that, when you wrap it around your post, then it'll be a lot easier if you want to make any of these curls. So if I were doing a curl, I would probably just do that black and white one. Maybe if you want to do like this, this striped one right here, this would be cute if you want to do one on either side. So not all the tails, not all the ribbons have too long tails like that. The black and white has a short one, and a long one. So they kind of I like varying degrees. So if you decide you don't want these corkscrews on here, you can just straighten them out with your fingers. So, but there's a couple corkscrews there for you. So like I said, once again, and I hope you can see this, take your hand in with fingers together and then open it. So I just put and lift like that. And then you just kind of, don't be afraid. I mean, it is twisted pretty tight down here. I mean, it's twisted multiple times. Better double check now that I say that. I'm gonna make sure it's all in there really, really tight. Because when I do it, I spin it several times. Yeah. So it's been it's in here. It's been twisted many, many times. So, just kind of play with it, and like I said, I've fluffed them all so they're all really nice, but there's just no telling what will happen in shipping. So I could put tissue in all the little rolls and it still will get smushed. So hopefully it won't get smushed, because I'm gonna pack just these alone in a box. So we'll pack these in a box. And another thing you might want to do with your tails that's kind of cute, that we do a lot on our wreaths, is we just roll them up a little bit like that and then just kind of let them go. So instead of the corkscrew, we just have a little curl like that. So it kind of goes kind of like that. So that's an option too. So you can do corkscrews, you can have little curl roll-ups like that, or you could just let them hang straight. You know, you put it on your post and see what you like. But if you like the corkscrew, you're just going to roll it up and then reach on the inside and just slightly pull it down. So once again, you roll it up and then to the top, and then just grab the little piece right here on the inside and just pull it down. So I hope that helps. Like I said, I hope it all arrives to you wonderfully, and you'll have a great party and everything else. And thanks again for trusting me to do this for you. So I think they're beautiful. So this is one of my favorite wreaths and one of my favorite designs. So I was really happy to do this for you. So that's all. Have a great week. Bye.